So you may have some old seed packets laying around and you're wondering if they're still good. So here's a good way to test your germination rate of your seeds. You can get a paper towel, water it down with a spray bottle, and then sprinkle your seeds across one side of the paper towel. Here I have some green pepper seeds out from 2021, so they're not that old, but if you want to know if they're still good or not and you have plenty of seeds to work with, you can test them this way. So spread them out, make sure they're not touching, wet them down again with a paper towel and fold that paper towel over so all the seeds are in good contact with the wet paper towel on both sides. And you can get a baggie and put those seeds into the baggie and keep them flat. And then what you're going to do is place this baggie in a warm place. And then after a few days, different seeds take different lengths, but these pepper seeds, I noticed they were germinating after 5 days. So that is pretty quick for pepper seeds. And you can, if you want to get your exact germination rate, you can count the number of seeds that you have here and the number of seeds that did germinate and get your percentage that way. I had 28 seeds out of 40 germinated already. You can see the white roots coming out of the ones that germinated. So the 12 that didn't germinate, they still might have germinated if I would have left them in longer. So these seeds are pretty good. If you do want to plant those seeds, you can transfer them right into your seed cell containers. So I use my wife's tweezers and I put the root that's coming out down and just put it into the center of the seed cell. And that's a good way to start your seeds as well. And you don't have to wonder and poke around and see if your seeds have germinated or if they're going to come up or not. Follow along for part 2 and I'll show you my favorite way that I start seeds, a different way. And here I'm putting it under the lights, ready to go.